Hello student, I am Sayyada Aafreen from Department of Zoology, J.A.T, Arts, Science and Commerce College for Women. Last lecture we will discuss about 5 kingdom classification system, and in that lecture I will also completed the kingdom Monera. Now in this video I will discuss about kingdom Protista, which is the second kingdom. The kingdom Protista includes all unicellular and eukaryotic organisms. This group includes all the unicellular but eukaryotic organisms. These organisms show link with all eukaryotic kingdom like plantae, fungi and animalia. They are microscopic. The mode of nutrition is autotroph and heterotrophs. The mode of reproduction is asexual with the help of binary fission, budding, fragmentation, etc., in which the specialized organ, that is locomotory organs, are present. The locomotory organs are like cilia, flagella, pseudopodia, etc. are present. In this kingdom include algae, fungi, protozoan, euglena. Now basically the kingdom Protista is classified into different types, that is plant like Protista, animal like Protista, fungi like Protista, euglenoids and dinoflagellates. So first of all we will discuss about plant like Protista. They are also called as chrysophytes, and they are also commonly termed phytoplanktons. They are microscopic and mostly photosynthetic because they are plant-like. We know very well the plants are photosynthetic organism. So the protists, which are plant-like, they are also photosynthetic. Most of them are referred as the diatoms, as they have the body wall made up of 2 soap box like fitting silica covers. Now second one is animal like Protista. The animal like Protista are also termed as protozoans. They lack cell wall because they are animal like. We know very well the animal cell having only plasma membrane. There is no any cell wall is present. They are heterotrophs. They are believed to be primitive animal form. Amoeboid protozoans have pseudopodia as a locomotory organ. Amoeba is free living form, but amoeba is endoparasite and cause amoebic dysentery. The flagellated protozoans have flagella as a locomotory organ. Trypanosoma is a common flagellated pathogen which causes sleeping sickness. Paramecium is a ciliated protozoan which having cilia for locomotion. In Paramecium, the gullet, which is also called as cavity, open on the cell surface. The Plasmodium is a protozoa. It causes malaria. It forms spores in one of its life stage. For example, Amoeba Paramecium and Euglena. Amoeba Paramecium. In the figure, there is a amoeba is present.